Vajranga, Vishwas here. I have one question here.
Hmm.
Say, I've faced some interviews. Okay, there might be someone is asking about the migration part. Okay, so as a support person, so we need to handle the migration part, like from the older version to the newer version. So they are asking like how you will follow the steps from the beginning to the till the end of that migration. So do you have any idea?
Okay, see if you have any predefined documents online on the migration plan, but I will give you just a basic information. Now, when you're doing migration, there will be few things that will fail. One, the package versions and the newer version, if it is compatible or not. If you are directly converting from 2019 to the latest um, .NET Core version, I think most of the things will fail. Now, how can you solve it? The best way to solve it is doing incremental migration or trying to make sure, like, first if you need to rewrite some code, you need to rewrite the code. There is no other way to than changing it. You need to see if you are when creation of the project, you cannot migrate some project that is created in 2019 all of a sudden to 2024. A lot of things change. Now, if you need to do that, you need to see what are the packages that are used. Are they compatible? Now, UiPath is automatically upgrading the packages. For example, if there is a write line or type into or any packages that might have been created, now those will be replaced automatically, but you need to test it properly before you go further and deploy it. Now, migration plan, you need to have a migration document. What are the assets created and what are the resources required? And is there any special permissions that require for doing the specific automation? These things you need to have in your mind. When you open the project in a newer version of UiPath Studio, it will give you an option to migrate or upgrade. If you click on upgrade, it will automatically make all the changes and it will give you. Few things will fail, but you also need to have a different machine with the previous version of UiPath Studio to see what is the code. If there is a rewritten of you need to rewrite the code, go ahead and rewrite. And moreover, though we are rewriting the code, the logic is already in place. So we just need to copy paste and upgrade it. It will not take the complete developmental effort. We need to spend a bit of time to upgrade the code to the latest version. Now, as a support person, if you are not a person who develops the code, then this must be handled by a developer. As a support person, you just need to go ahead and upgrade the package and you need to make sure it's working or not. Often there will be teams who have dedicated developers, so they will go back and update the code.